To organize your notes with folders in Obsidian, open the app, select your vault, and right-click inside the File Explorer on the left sidebar. Then choose New Folder, type a name like Projects, and press Enter. And you've just created your first container for related notes. This simple action is the foundation of a clean, manageable vault. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's walk through the full process so you can build a structure that works for you. The File Explorer panel is where all your notes and folders live by default. Take a moment to look at what you already have, maybe a dozen notes scattered in the root directory. Right-click anywhere inside that empty space, select New Folder, and give it a name like Daily Notes. Press Enter. Repeat the process to create meeting notes, then Research, Resources, Templates, and Archive. These 6 folders cover the most common categories for any workflow. The Archive folder is especially useful because it gives you a place to park completed projects or old references without deleting them. As your vault grows, you can always add more folders, but starting with these prevents decision fatigue later. Now click on the Projects folder to select it. Look for the New Note button. It's a small document icon with a plus sign, usually at the top of the File Explorer or near the folder name. Click it, type Website Redesign as the note title, and press Enter. Obsidian creates that note directly inside your Projects folder. This is the key habit to build. Always click the target folder before creating a new note. If you skip that step, the note lands in your root directory, and you'll have to move it later. Open the Meeting Notes folder, create a note called Team Sync. Then do the same for your other folders. Each note now lives in its logical home. What about notes you already have? Go back to the File Explorer and find an existing note that's sitting loose in the root. Click and hold it with your mouse, then drag it into the Research folder, for example. Release the mouse button and the note moves instantly. Obsidian updates all internal links automatically, so any double bracket references like "ick" still work perfectly. Repeat this for every author note you can find. This is the most efficient way to tidy up a messy vault, one drag at a time. To verify everything landed correctly, click on a folder to expand it and confirm the notes are inside. Click the arrow beside the folder name to collapse it, then click again to expand it. This toggling gives you a clean view without visual clutter. For deeper organization, create subfolders. Right-click the Projects folder, choose New Folder, and name it Active Projects. Right-click again and create Complete Projects. Now you can drag your current work into active and finished work into completed. Subfolders prevent any single folder from becoming a dumping ground. Inside Research, you might add articles, books, and tutorials. Avoid going deeper than 2 or 3 levels though. 5 nested folders make navigation slower, not faster. If you need to rename a folder, right-click it, select Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. Folders with vague names like Stuff or Miscellaneous lose their usefulness quickly, so be specific from the start. You can also rearrange folders by dragging them up or down in the File Explorer. Put your most used folders at the top, maybe Projects, then Daily Notes, then Templates. This simple ordering saves clicks over time. As you move notes into their appropriate folders, open a few to confirm they still load correctly. Use the search feature Ctrl+Shift+F or Command+Shift+F to find a note by name or content. Search works across all folders, so even if you misplace a note, you can still locate it instantly. That's the beauty of combining folders with Obsidian's powerful search and linking system. Folders are familiar and intuitive, but they're only one piece of the puzzle. Internal links, created with double brackets like connect notes across folders without moving them. Tags, such as #client or #tutorial, add another layer. A note on marketing strategy can live in your Research folder, link to a project note in Active Projects, and carry tags for both the client and the campaign. This 3-part system, folders for broad categories, links for relationships, and tags for flexible filtering, creates a knowledge base that scales to thousands of notes without chaos. As your vault evolves, revisit your folder structure every few weeks. Maybe you need a courses folder for online classes or a journal folder for daily entries. Rename, merge, or create new folders as your priorities shift. Obsidian doesn't punish reorganization, it just updates file paths silently. The Archive folder becomes your safety net. Move completed projects and old notes there to keep active folders lean. You now have a vault where every note has a clear place, and you can find anything in seconds. If you ever get stuck, come back to this video or drop a comment below. Happy organizing!